Good morning, children. Children, today we'll solve two worksheets. It's just a revision of what we have learned till now. So let's begin, children. It's addition, worksheet number 4. Kindly write your section and name. Now here, question number 1. Add the three numbers given in the kettle and match the kettle with the cup. Now what does it mean? That first you have to do this addition, and then after that you will match the answer to the cup. Okay, so let's begin quickly. So here it is. We have all the three cups. Okay, so 9 plus 6 plus 4. So we are going to double it, make near it to 10. Okay, make it to 10. So 10 plus 9 is 19. So we will match it to 19. Here the answer was 19. Okay, now here we are going to double it, isn't it? We have the doubling. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So here, okay, then we have here also we have two numbers of the numbers which are the same. So 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11. So here it's 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Okay, then let us go to the next one. Now here question number 2 says add the following numbers. What we have to do, we just have to add them. So always remember that we start from ones place, isn't it? So this is ones and this is tens. Okay, so in ones place we have 5 plus 2, 6, 7. Keep 5 in mind and 2 on hand, isn't it? So 5 in mind and 2 on hand. Now count forward. 6, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8. Then here 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So you get your answer over here. Now the next one. Always start from the ones place. Okay, so here we have two numbers that are same. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, now you can do it anyway, children. There's no problem. Suppose if I don't do it 4 plus 4, if I do 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is what? 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. I still get the same answer. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now let us do the next one. Now the next one is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, then 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so here we have solved all three. You can check if you want. Okay, now let us do the third question, that is question number 3. Now children, let us do question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. If 2 plus 2 is equals to dash, then 2 plus 3 is equals to what? Okay, if 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, then 2 plus 3 is equals to what? 5. It is one number extra only, na? Okay, if 7 plus 7 is 14, then 7 plus 8 will be what? 15. One number more than the double. Then next, add the following, look for 10. Okay, now it is saying look for 10, so we are going to look for 10. This and this will make a 10. Okay, so 10 plus 3, 13. So 1 and 3 over here. Okay, now here these two numbers will make a 10. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10. Then 10 plus 6 will be 16. So 6 over here and 1 over here. Okay, now here 9 plus 1 will be 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay, now let us see the next question. Circle the doubles, add them first, and that means first we have to add the doubles and then we have to do the addition. Okay, now circle the doubles, that means here and this. So 8 plus 8, you need to know the doubles, children. Okay, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9 now. 16 plus 9. So keep 16 in mind and you can take out 9 fingers out. Okay, always keep the bigger number in mind. Okay, and now keep 9 fingers out and now count forward. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so answer is 25. So 5 will come here and 2 will come in tens place. Okay, now next over here is, these will make the doubles, isn't it? Oh sorry, they said circle the doubles. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Now 14 plus 4, so 14 in mind and 4 on hand. Okay, 14 in mind and 4 on hand. Now count forward. 15, 16, 17, 18. So it will be 8 and then 1. Okay, now again circle the doubles. Double means you have to see the same number that is being repeated. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6, you can keep 4 in mind and 6 on hand. Now count forward. Yes, it is 10. Okay, now now let us see the next question. Add in two ways. Okay, now how to do this? This is also easy, nothing difficult in it. Now what we have to do is add in two ways. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to add these two and then add 3 to it. Okay, fine. So 9 plus 2, keep 9 in mind and 2 on hand. 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now here in the second way, you can do it 2 plus 3 first. And then 9, add 9 to it. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, now the same thing over here. First you add 8 plus 4. Okay, that is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Now over here 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4 is 12. Oh, so sorry. So sorry. Not this way. Now here you will double it. 8 plus 4 plus 4, 8, and 8 plus 8. That will be again 16. Okay. Now it says using the blocks. Add using the blocks. Okay, Now here children, the pictures are given. Okay, like this is 32, so 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay, 45, so 4 tens and 5 ones. So see, 1 2 3 4, 4 tens, 1 2 3 4, 5 ones are given. Okay, now here it's 12, so 1 10 and 2 ones are given over here. Okay, so now we are going to add them. So how many ones will it be? 1 2. Let's begin it from here. Okay, 1, I'll use a pen to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So they will be 9 ones. And how many tens? Let us see. Okay, so 1 2. Let us use another pen, another color. For tens it's this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so it's which number? 8. So we got it as 8. So 8 tens and 9 ones, that makes 89. Okay, now the next question. Find the sum. So you have to regroup in this. 6 plus 8 is 8 in mind, 6 on hand, or 6 in mind, 8 on hand. Always remember, keep the bigger number in mind, then the counting becomes easy. Okay, so let us keep 8 in mind and 6 on hand. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So 6 carried 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 2 will be 4. And 4 plus 5 will be 4 in mind, 5 on hand. Now count forward. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 9. Okay. The same way you can do the next two sums also. Okay. Now let us regroup and add this. Here what we have to do is, always remember to start from ones place, children. Okay, 5 plus 6, so 5 in mind and 6 on hand. 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 and 1 carried over. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Now the same way you can do the rest of the two sums, children, over here. Okay. Then next, come to next worksheet, that is worksheet number 5. Okay. Now here it says tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. 10 tens. 10 tens will make what? 10 tens will make 1 1, 10 ones, 100 or none. The none of these means what? इसमें से कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, nothing of, no answer is correct, it means. So 10 tens. 1 10 means 10, 2 10 means 20, 3 10 means 30, 4 10 means 40, 5 10 50, 6 10 60, 7 10 70, 8 10 80, 9 10 90, 10 10 100. Isn't it? So 10 tens will be 100. I am more than 110 but less than 120. Who am I? More than 110. So more than 110 means this is gone. Why? Because this is 101. This is also gone. Why? Because this is 102. So it is more than 110. B and C both are correct, but there is another condition. It's saying less than 120. It is saying less than 120. So this is the correct answer. Okay, this is the correct answer. Fine. So the answer over here is B. Okay. Now the next question says the numeral for this and this is what? That means what is the number for these symbols? So this is, let us build the number quickly. 100, tens and ones. So how many hundreds? 1. How many tens? 1, 2. Okay, then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ones. So which number did we make? 126. This is the correct answer. Okay. Then we have the next one, that is the fifth number. Fourth number, sorry. In which of the following numerals the place value of 3 is 30? In which of the following numerals the place value of 3 is 30? That means it should be in the tens place. 3 should be in the tens place, isn't it? Here this is a single digit, so it's wrong. Here again it is in ones place, so again it's not correct. This is also in ones place, this is in tens place, so this is correct. Okay, now the next one, number after 169 before 100 and number before 180. We have to use the sign. Number after 169. Now children, number after 169 will be smaller than number before 180. Now next question is, whose book has least number of pages? Least means sabse kam. Okay, Rita has 177, Sunny has 117, Neha has 105, and Meenal has 127. So Neha's is the least, C1. Okay, then the numbers 142, 140, 124, 104 are arranged in dash order. Are in which order? Just see, 142 is the biggest number, it's the greatest number, isn't it? So then after that we are coming from greatest, we are coming to smallest, we are coming from greatest to smallest. So this is, so children, this is decreasing order, isn't it? It is decreasing order, that means from greatest to smallest. Dash numbers cannot be put into pairs. Which numbers? Odd numbers. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Now the ninth question says, which of the following is not an even number? Which of the following is not an even number? So what we are supposed to do? We just have to see the number in the ones place. If the number in the ones place is an even number, then the entire number will be an even number. Okay, so here it will be, oh so sorry. So the which of the following is not an even number? So B is not an even number. Why? Because it is an odd number. 3 cannot be put into pairs, na? Then ninth is written as, what is the correct spelling of ninth? The ordinal. What is the correct spelling of ninth? I remember I told you. Be very careful, huh? While writing, remember, in your mind you should write ninth only. You should speak ninth, but in your mind it should be ninth only, then your spelling will be correct. I live on the 5th floor of a building. I live on the 5th floor of the building with 11 floors. How many floors are above me? How many floors are above me? I live on the 5th floor, okay? So 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. So there are 6 floors above me. Oh, so sorry, no pen. Fine. Then 196, 186, 176, 166. Now which number will be next? See here what is happening. The number in the tens place is changing. 9, 8, 7, 6. Now what will come? 5. So the number in the tens place is changing. Okay. So D is the correct answer. Then the next one is 135. 135 is the same as, where is the expanded form of this number given? 100 plus 3 plus 50. No, this is wrong. 100 plus 30 plus 105, that is also wrong. Yes, so C1 is correct, children. C1 is correct. Okay. Then fill in the boxes with the tables of 2 and 3. Okay, so here the tables are written. First you learn the tables properly. Okay, children. Then you can solve this on your own. Okay, so that's all in today's maths worksheet, children. Solve it properly, but remember you have to learn the tables. Thank you, children.